Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are investigating a critical launch failure for Assassin's Creed Valhalla purchased through the Epic Games Store. Many users report that after downloading the game, it simply refuses to start, even when the files are verified. We at Teknobalta analyzed this issue and identified a breakdown in the communication between the EGL and Ubisoft Connect. This is not just a game bug, it is a synchronization error between two different digital rights management systems. When you click Launch on Epic, a token must be passed to the Ubisoft client to authorize the session. If this handshake fails, the game process terminates before the window even appears. Let's begin our deep dive into the root cause analysis. The primary culprit is often a corrupted cache in the Ubisoft Connect client or an incomplete account linkage. Even if the game is installed on your C drive, as recommended, software conflicts can prevent the execution. Before we start the main solution, we must perform essential pre-checks. First, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated to the latest version. Next, verify that your GPU drivers are current, specifically for NVIDIA or AMD architectures. Assassin's Creed Valhalla requires DX12 support, so ensure your hardware and software are compatible. Now, let's look at the VC Redistributables. These are the backbone of the game's engine. We recommend reinstalling the Visual C++ packages from 2015 to 2022. Often, a simple repair of these files can solve the application failed to start error. Now, let's move to the main solution path. We will force a resynchronization of your accounts. Step 1. Close both the Epic Games Launcher and Ubisoft Connect completely using the Task Manager. Ensure no background processes like Ubisoft Game Launcher Service are still running. Step 2. Navigate to the Ubisoft Connect installation folder, usually in Program Files x86. Locate the cache folder and delete its entire contents. This forces the client to fetch new data. Step 3. Open your web browser and log into your Ubisoft account management page. Check the Linked Accounts section. If Epic Games is listed, try unlinking and relinking it. This refresh is vital for the API to recognize your ownership of Valhalla. Step 4. Launch Ubisoft Connect first, then launch Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. Administrator privileges ensure the launchers have the necessary permissions to write temporary files. If the game still doesn't launch, we must look at the ownership connection file. Sometimes, Epic fails to tell Ubisoft that you actually own the game. To fix this, go to the game library in Ubisoft Connect and see if Valhalla appears there. If it is not there, you must click Locate Installed Game and point it to the Epic Games folder. This manual pathing bypasses the automated handshake that often fails. Now, let's discuss alternative methods if the standard path fails. Some users find that the Ubisoft Connect overlay causes the game to crash on startup. Go to Ubisoft Connect settings and disable the Enable in-game overlay option. This reduces the overhead on the game's initial rendering phase. Another method is to verify the game files specifically within the Epic Games Launcher. Click the three dots next to the game title and select Manage, then Verify. This checks for any corrupted hash values in the game's core data. If the verification finds nothing, the issue might be your antivirus software. Add the Assassin's Creed Valhalla executable to your antivirus exclusion list. Some security suites flag the DRM communication as suspicious behavior. Let's move to advanced optimization to ensure the game runs smoothly once it opens. Open the acvalhalla.ini file located in your Documents folder under Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Check the window mode setting. Sometimes setting this to 1 for borderless windowed helps. This can prevent the game from hanging when switching to full screen mode. Also, ensure your Windows power plan is set to high performance. This prevents the CPU from downblocking during the heavy loading sequences. We at Teknobalta also recommend clearing the DX shader cache. Use the Windows Disk Cleanup tool and select DirectX Shader Cache. This forces the game to rebuild shaders, which can fix graphical stutters and launch hangs. If you are using a laptop, make sure the game is using the dedicated GPU and not the integrated one. You can set this in the Windows graphics settings by browsing for the game's exe. Select High Performance to guarantee the NVIDIA or AMD chip is active. If the problem persists, a clean reinstallation of Ubisoft Connect is the final technical step. Uninstall the client, delete the remaining folders and app data, and download the latest version from Ubisoft. This removes any deep-seated registry errors that might be blocking the Epic link. Remember, the user in the forum noted that the game fixed itself. This usually means a background update for Ubisoft Connect finally completed in the background. Or, the server-side authentication finally synced the Epic purchase to the Ubisoft account. Patience is key, but our manual steps bypass the need to wait. To summarize, clear your cache, verify your link, and run as administrator. These technical steps are the standard for resolving cross-platform launcher conflicts. We at Teknobalta are committed to solving these complex PC architecture problems. Always keep your software environment clean and updated for the best gaming experience. If you found this technical breakdown helpful, please let us know. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more professional troubleshooting and hardware insights. We will see you in the next deep dive. Game on. Game on.